Hey, welcome to my channel wherever you are from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Toyosi Okubuwale, and once again I want to share with you something valuable on AI marketing. Now, a number of my teammates are wondering how I am able to refer people, and when they check their back offices, they don't get to see any referral links, right? So the questions just kept coming. How do I get my referral link? I also want to, share this with other people. So that's what brings me to this video, okay? Stay till the end if you want to know how to create your own referral link on AI marketing. Now here we go. Here's the demo account. Now when you sign in, of course, you have to sign into your account first, and then you will see a display showing you your virtual card. Now, what you need to do to create your own referral link is to come down to the tab that says My Marketing. When you click on this tab, you see it says Create a landing page, right? Now, this creating a landing page simply means your referral link. If you notice, when you click on people's referral link, it takes you to a page that's called a landing page. Okay, so what we're going to do now is create our own referral link. Now, what you have to click in these two options, you have the standard option, the personal option. You should click on the standard. Okay, when you click on the standard, it brings you to where you have different inputs that you can put into your own referral link. Now here I would just put, here it says your personal assistant. When switched on, a brief text from you and the contact details you wish to provide will be displayed. So let's click on it. Okay, now when you click on that, come down here, it says 5% affiliate program. What this means simply is at any referral, any of your referrals, who sign up and then top up their account, you get to earn 5% on their top up. Okay, so if they top up every month, that's 5% for you every month from whatever they're topping up. So take, for example, you have someone who signed up last week and then tops up this week. What it means is that you get 5% from that top up. Say it be $500 top up. You get your 5%, and then if the person maybe decides to top up anytime sooner, you get another 5%. Okay, so you want to tick that because that's more money for you, right? Now when you tick that, you come down and you notice that it ticks automatically. It ticks the gift certificate, it ticks the video gallery. That means now in this gift certificate you see here is simply the $50 gift certificate that your downline, your referrer gets the minute he signs up. Now when you sign somebody up, if you already ticked this gift certificate option, you allow that person get a $50 from the company for the robot to start with. So many times people set up their account, but they are not able to fund it immediately, or they are still trying to see what exactly AI marketing looks like, if it's for them or not. This $50 gift certificate enables them to see the results they would most likely get when they top up their accounts. So when they begin to see results from this $50, they are able to decide if to go ahead topping up or not. Now if you look at this card I have here, on this virtual card I have in this demo account, you see that this demo account has a pending balance of 72.25. What this means here is that the $50 that this account received on sign up has brought in a $72.25. So it's something that you want your downlines to have, because look at this, it has made an additional of $22.25 and it's still working. It's not yet done. Okay, it has made it an additional of $22.25 on top of the $50. And when the person then returns the $50 gift certificate, he keeps the 22.25 and more that is yet to come. Okay, so let's continue with our referral link creation. The gift certificate, you have ticked it. The video gallery, it displays a series of tutorial videos for your referrals to see before they sign up. Now, if you're someone who already made a presentation, of AI marketing, you already did a video for yourself, you want to put it into your own landing page, here is where you tick. Okay, you just tick on this my own video, you tick on it above here, and then you place your own video on the landings. You can only use videos from YouTube. To get the right link, open your video on YouTube, then click share and copy the link from the window that appears. That's how you put in your own video. So next is your first name. You have to put in your first name. The name here is going to be Emmanuel. Okay, you put in your last name. It's gonna be Akande here. Okay, so let me just shorten this. Right now, upload your photo. If you want to have your landing page show your people, your referrals, a photo of you to generate know, like, and trust, you just click on upload your photo in JPEG or PNG format. It mustn't be anything other than this. Okay, then come down and enter your email. Put in your email if you want to. Now, in this section, what I usually advise is put in the social networks you have, which you are open to allowing people reach out to you from. Okay, so if you're someone who doesn't like strangers reaching out to you on WhatsApp, better don't put it in there. If you're someone who doesn't like people reaching out to you directly on your phone number, don't put it in there. Put in the phone number you use for business or something, or maybe the email you use for business. Okay, if you feel okay with using that email for your own referrals to reach out to you and contact you any day, anytime, put it in there. Put in your Telegram if you want people to reach out to you there, or your Skype. Put in whatever you choose to put in. Now, once those links are in place, here you see about me. Now you have to put something, no matter how little, about yourself, so people can actually get to know you a bit. So let's just create something small. Okay, about, I can say, I'd like for the whole world to experience what I have been enjoying here on AI marketing. Okay, I'd like for the whole world to experience what I've been enjoying here on AI marketing. But before the sentence, maybe I should say I am an entrepreneur who loves to help people make money. Yeah, something that simple is okay, right? I'm an entrepreneur who loves to help people make money. I'd like for the whole world to experience what I have been enjoying here on AI marketing. When you hit save, here you go. Your own referral link has been created. Here it is. Okay, so when you want to copy this link, all you need to do is to come here, click on copy link. When you copy it, copy to clipboard. Now let's go click on another window and then paste it in here. Let's see what we have. Okay, that's your link right up here. Okay, right up here, here's the link. So here you go. It's showing you the video that the company puts in there. It's showing you your name. Okay, now let's not go too fast. Now here it is. Hi, I am ai.marketing. I am an entrepreneur who loves to help people make money. I'd like for the whole world to experience what I have been enjoying here on AI marketing, exactly as you have crafted it a few seconds ago. Okay, it's so easy to do. You can literally do this in just 3 minutes. So come down, you see what is MarketBoard. It gives you further info about the company, helps your prospects to see a little bit of more into what exactly the company does. Okay, and it shows you some of their people that they're in partnership with, you know, Amazon, Apple, eBay. These are just a few. There are so many e-commerce companies that AI MarketBot has been in relationship with. Okay, now come down and then you see other info, you know, for your prospects to see. What about the rest of the money, the remaining part? Everything is displayed just so people can get to know what exactly AI is all about. So your talking is reduced. When the person gets here, you can see your gift certificate is on your right here. Now, if you are someone who mistakenly didn't tick on the gift certificate part while creating your own referral link, you will see when you scroll down, when you take this test, for example, putting your referral link in a new window and then scroll down, you wouldn't see this gift certificate here. No, you wouldn't see it there, and so your prospects wouldn't get the $50 to start with. Okay, they would have to fund their account before their robot starts to work. So even if your prospects come straight down here and finishes reading and sees this gift certificate, the prospect can just click on this get USD, okay, get $50 USD advertising budget. Immediately your prospect clicks on it, the prospect is able to go create his account and land him the $50 gift certificate. And the prospect doesn't have to come this far to actually get it. Just make sure that whenever you talk to your prospects, tell them that when they click on your link, they should just come here to the left and click on this first icon. Ignore the other three. Okay, this is the best. Now you can see it saying sign in with Google. I don't want to sign in with Google, so that's what this G means here, but we don't want you to use that. It's better you use what you would impute yourself. So come tell your prospects to always use this first icon, click on it. When your prospect clicks on it, it is able to ask for all their details. Okay, you see, you have to click on register now. Okay, now you can see this is the invite code. On that referral link, there's an invite code. So don't be confused that this invite code doesn't look like what you saw in your here. It doesn't look like what you saw here. Don't be confused. Okay, when you have your prospect sign up with your link, this is the code that will show if how do I put it now? After you create your referral link, the code that will show here, it will look different from what you saw on your referral link, but this code just identifies you in the system. It doesn't have to match the referral link. Okay, so the code that you first see here is what your prospects will always see. Just take note. Okay, have the person fill in the name, the surname, the email, you know, the password, and confirm it's not a robot and register now, and that's it. Okay, that's it. So yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to give me a like, give me a subscribe, so that you can get more info into what AI marketing is all about and the kind of results you can get here. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. and then I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.